HowExpert Guide to Postcard Collecting is a structured, step-by-step blueprint for becoming a knowledgeable, confident postcard collector. Through the proven 37-day postcard map system, you learn how postcards evolved through postal history, identify key eras accurately, and evaluate authenticity and condition clearly while building a collection grounded in research rather than impulse. This guide transforms postcard collecting into a practical, day-by-day learning journey for real-world collecting decisions. Across a carefully organized 37-day framework, you progress through purpose and perspective, postal systems and regulations, era recognition, grading standards, reproduction detection, research methods, documentation practices, market awareness, preservation techniques, and long-term growth. Each stage builds logically through a clear, structured system you can follow step by step. By the end, you think like a serious collector who understands both historical foundations and practical realities of the hobby. Introduction. Explore why postcards matter, what drives collectability, and how the postcard map system structures your progress. Chapter 1. P. Purpose and Perspective, Days 1 to 3. Clarify your motivation and develop a disciplined collector mindset. Chapter 2. O. Origins and Postal History, Days 4 to 7. Understand postal systems, stamps, postmarks, and regulations that shape context and value. Chapter 3. S. Styles, Themes, and Categories, Days 8 to 10. Identify postcard types, artistic styles, and focused collecting paths. Chapter 4. T. Time periods and eras, Days 11 to 14. Recognize key eras using visual and historical dating clues. Chapter 5. C. Condition and Quality, Days 15 to 18. Learn grading standards, common damage types, and how condition affects demand. Chapter 6. A. Authenticity and Evaluation, Days 19 to 22. Detect reproductions, printing differences, and misrepresentation risks. Chapter 7. R. Research and Reference Skills, Days 23 to 25. Research publishers, artists, and locations with confidence. Chapter 8. D. Documentation and Organization, Days 26 to 28. Build cataloging systems and maintain accurate records. Chapter 9. M. Market Awareness and Buying, Days 29 to 31. Understand pricing behavior and safer acquisition strategies. Chapter 10. A. Appreciation, Display, and Care, Days 32 to 34. Handle, store, and display postcards responsibly. Chapter 11. P. Progress, Growth, and Legacy, Days 35 to 37. Refine your collection and plan for long-term stewardship. Conclusion. Consolidate your knowledge and carry forward a structured collecting blueprint. Appendices includes a glossary, curated resources, quick reference guides, storage essentials, and practical FAQs. HowExpert Guide to Postcard Collecting provides a clear pathway for collectors who want more than random accumulation. You develop the ability to interpret postal markings, recognize era characteristics, evaluate authenticity and condition confidently, and make informed buying decisions aligned with long-term goals. Over time, your collection reflects knowledge and thoughtful selection rather than impulse. Start building your postcard collection with clarity and purpose. Strengthen your evaluation skills, avoid costly mistakes, and preserve meaningful pieces responsibly as you grow into a confident collector. Begin your 37-day postcard collecting journey today and build a lasting postcard legacy. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.